picture. Ayan. And hi, we're back. We just got off from Liking Station and we're going to platform 2. Hindi ko alam ba't ako nagpa-vlog. We're going to platform 2. Going to Mongkok. Here. Diretso daw. Alam mo, medyo misleading yung mga ano dito, yung mga signs. So, kapag bobo ka sa directions, bobo ka talaga.
Hindi naman. Mga ilang beses na ikaw.
Bobo. So far, 2 times pa lang kaming bobo. 2 times pa lang kaming naliligaw. Mas nakakabobo yung...
Out of 3 days.
Mas nakakabobo yung ano, yung bus station.
Hindi kasi natin ni Google Maps.
Oo. Medyo huwag kayong magtiwala sa Google Maps if you're going to Hong Kong because that's not good. And tada! We just transferred to Central Station Platform 2. Sa kabila naman ay Platform 4 going to Hong Kong. Yan. Diba? Ayaw kay Zoom. Hindi natamad ako. Si Nena ay papa. Ang sabi niya ay
Hindi ganun yun. Paano ba yan? Ayan ba yan? Alam niya.
Uy, prop ka be.
No, not in Hong Kong.
We're going to Mongkok. Sana may mabili kami. Pero wala kang
Ng mangkok.
Mangkok. Wala kang... This is the octopus cards. Reloadable siya.
Here's the train.
Here's the fucking train lang. Hindi fucking.
Mura na talaga yung ano.
Going to Mongkok. Walang upuan guys. Tayo lang tayo. Ay mali.
Pole dancing. Ayun na may paano. May pa-option. Ayan eh. Papabakuna ako. Papabakuna ako.
Ma'am, saan po tayo pupunta, ma'am?
Saan niyo ba gusto? Mga ate, mga kuya. Hello. Wala naman.
Gagi ka, hindi ganun.
Ano, ganun. Dalo.
Mas malawag dito. Hello.
Ano ito makita mo? Yung ano.
So as you can see guys, aray ko yung ilong ko.
Ay, haba pa natin.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Haba pa siya. 5 stations. Diba? Sobrang ganda ng transportation system nila dito. Unlike the fucking Philippines. Vlogger is nothing friend. Lokal talaga to dito. Kasi naman, hindi nagkakalayo.
Is are you here?
Are you here?
Walang pa-reflect ko na. I'm there. I'm shadow.
Imahinasyon.
Are you here? Professor pala ako.
Ha?
Baka nakakalimutan yung not a language professor.
Kung sino man yung mga estudyante nitong babaeng to, kawawa naman kayo. Diba? Ay, malulubat na. Patay na natin.
Ilan?
Say bye!
Parang na-awkward na ako maglakad. So, we're here at Cafe 100. Ayan. Hindi ko na-zoom, be. Bakit ganun? Saan tayo ikot? Dito muna. Ay, dito tayo ikot. Oo, kasi nandito yung HK, Sky 100.
Under the stars, across the seas, where dreams are free, new places to find, leaving worries behind, traveling the world, feeling so alive. Out, lights are flashing bright. Feel the music loud. We dance through the night. Hands up in the sky. Heartbeats synchronized. This is how we fly. Feel so energized. It's a party all night. Can't stop the feeling. Dancing with the
kapag kasama Pilipino. Mga Pinoy sila. Oo nga, lahat sila. Taga Pampanga, Cebu, at saka ano daw eh. Baka nakuha na si Erka ng liwanag. Dilim, be. Ano lang, ito lang. So, sana tayo guys. Tapos na kami. Is this free? Hong Kong!
Yes,
Yeah.
get one
That.
this and one of that.
Let's go! Adios! Thank you for visiting daw.
Goodbye! Bye-bye!
Exit. Ay, hindi. Ay, ano pala yun? Gagi.
Elements.
Ano yun? What is element?
Ito yung mango tree na nakukuha sa map.
Ha?
Ito yung mango tree na nakukuha sa map.
Ah, okay. So guys, we're in a socialen hotel. Mag-ayos kayo guys. Dapat pang social din ang behavior.
Ito yung
Yan. So lahat ng mga brands guys nandito. Fendi, Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Chanel. What? Chanel 2, Chanel 5. And Chanel 7. Yeah, and we have also the Dolce & Gabbana. No, speak in English. And the Hermes, you know. I think we can redeem an HK. Pwede dyan. 100 tas yung bill mo. Yan. Hi guys! Ang baki na may umaga. Nasa MTR ko kami. Papakita ko yan sa YouTube. Lamig.
Kunyari, first time natin sumakay ng MTR. Ang lamig. May kasama kaming lokal kaya hindi kami naliligaw. Hi, excuse me. Are you from here? Hello. Oh my god. The local Our local tourist guide is making vacuum. 30 hour at Olympic Station. We're going to say hi, local tourist guide. Diba? Ano ba yan? Bakit ang laki? Ano yan? Parang fishes. Parang pabilang ka mukha. Pag in-upload na yun. Ay, parang may kulang. Ay, baka maligaw tayo. Hindi pa. Namchong.
Neon lights flicker casting a glow on the bustling streets of Hong Kong below. The city's alive with a vibrant beat as the night unfolds, making it all so sweet. Hong Kong at night, a dazzling sight, a symphony of colors, a mesmerizing light. The towers reach high, piercing the sky as the city comes alive. With dreams flying high. From the Temple Street night markets, vibrant maze, to the symphony of lights dazzling display. Hong Kong at night, it never sleeps. A city that thrills where excitement leaps. Hong Kong at night, a dazzling sight, a symphony of colors, a mesmerizing light. The towers reach high, piercing the sky as the city comes alive, with dreams flying high. Hong Kong at night, a dazzling sight, a symphony of colors, a mesmerizing light. The towers reach high, piercing the sky as the city comes alive, with dreams flying high. Hong Kong at night, a magical place where dreams come alive and hearts embrace.
That we can be 2-2.
You wanna do it for 8 for 100?
So that we can be 2-2. 2-2-2.
So we can have 2 each.
Yeah.
Please. Okay lang. Ayaw, close yan.
Okay. Yeah? It's okay?
Okay.
Okay. Nice. Yan, mga nakipagtawaran na, mga Pilipino. Ito, bet white.
Transparent like Nelly on calling night. A dazzling sight, a symphony of colors and mesmerizing light. Such hours we shine, piercing the sky as the city skies. The city comes alive. The streets are filled with laughter and cheer as people gather, drawing near. The air is alive with an electric feel.